If you want to get a balance certificate from Scotiabank in 2025, the process is straightforward. Start by opening the Scotiabank mobile app or logging into online banking with your username and password. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the menu and look for Statements and Documents or a similar section, which is where Scotiabank keeps all official documents. From there, check if you see an option for balance certificate or request a document. The option appears. Simply select the account you want the certificate for, like your savings or checking account, and confirm your request. In many cases, the certificate is generated instantly as a downloadable PDF. But depending on your region, it might take 1 to 2 business days and you'll be notified when it's ready. If you don't see the option online, the next step is to visit your nearest Scotiabank branch. Bring valid ID and ask the teller or customer service desk for a balance certificate. Some branches may charge a small service fee and provide it immediately, while others might take a short processing time. You can also call Scotiabank customer support in advance to confirm the exact process for your location. That's itlog. Request it online if available, or visit a branch to get your certificate. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.